Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. We got a special treat for you guys today. We're making hot Cheetos Elotes. We're also making the classic one with a little bit of cilantro. And another one with nothing but cheese. Ooh wee! Alright, we're gonna get started by peeling all these corns. Try to take off as many corn fibers as you can. If you don't worry, we're still gonna give them a wash. We're gonna take off this little part too. Alright, we're done and all washed up. Put some water to boil, and once it's boiling, we're gonna drop the corn in there for about 5 minutes. Ooh, it's steamy in there. Alright, ready to take these out. Alright, let's start preparing these corns. We're gonna start off with the Flaming Hot Cheetos Elote. Go ahead and get your Flaming Hot Cheetos and stick them into your blender. You're not gonna add anything to them because we're trying to turn them into crumbs. Go ahead and drop them in there. Let's take them to blend, and this is how it should end up looking like. First off, we're gonna cover it all with mayo. Now that that's done, we're gonna cover it all with cojita cheese. Next up, we're gonna cut up a lemon and squeeze it all over the corn. Squeeze it over your elote. The lime is pretty important. This is what's gonna make the hot Cheetos stick. So make sure you do not forget this step. Go ahead and start adding your hot Cheetos. Drizzle it on top and then start compacting it. After you compact it, this is how it should end up looking like. Look at that flaming hot beauty. Alright, now let's do the classic with a little bit of cilantro. Start off with covering up with mayo. Up next, cover it all with cojita cheese. I don't know about y'all, but I like using the salsa buffalo la clásica. Drizzle a little bit of this on top of your elote. Or drizzle a lot, depends how you like it. I'm also going to drizzle a little bit of this salsa valentina. Next up, we're going to sprinkle some chile suave. Also sprinkle some chile en polvo. These are pretty spicy, so it's all al gusto. Next up, you're gonna squeeze a limon all on top of it. This is basically the classic, but I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro for some extra flavor. Ooh-wee! Go ahead and sprinkle your cilantro all over it. And last but not least, let's do the solo con queso. Cover it all with mayo. Now cover it all with cojita cheese. Be generous. And we're gonna do a little bit of the cilantro on this one too, just so it can look a little fancy on the thumbnail. Before we finish up, in case you're already not subscribed, please do us a favor and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Put a little bit of extra lime on this. And drop in the rest of the cilantro. This one looks good. Alright, now the fun part, we get to eat them. Which one are you gonna make? The hot Cheeto one, the classic one, or the classic one with cheese? I think I'm gonna try all three. Let me know in the comments which one do you like best.
Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.